Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of a stock market. So today, as usual, we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart to find out important weekly levels, and along with that, we'll discuss inflation data which came in the last week. That I will also discuss that. So to know the Nifty Bank level and important stock market update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update. So first of all, let's go to the inflation data, and then we'll go to the chart. So last week the CPI inflation data came for the October month. So for the October month, CPI inflation is at 0.25% versus 1.44% monthly, means before that MOM. So October CPI inflation went down from 1.44 to 0.25, which is very good. Inflation is now going down. It is touched the 0.25%. So this is positive sign. And the other WPI inflation data that also came in the last week, this is the wholesale price index. So this is for October month. WPI inflation is at 1.21%. One minus, it is in minus. So minus 1.21% it has come from the 0.13% last month. So in October MOM, the WPI inflation also declined. This is also showing a good sign that inflation is now going more down. So these two, CPI inflation data and WPI inflation data, which was very important to discuss, and some important results also came in last week. I will discuss some important good result, which was uh, Asian Paints. Asian Paints posted a very good Q Q2 results. Their uh, PAT increased by 46, around 50 46, more than, I think, 47%. Their profit after tax increased. So this is positive sign. And even margin also increased, EBITDA also increased. And the Tata Steel also posted their Q2 results, and they have also posted a very good Q2 results. Their PAT increased by 272%, around 272% से उनका profit after tax increased हुआ है for the Tata Steel, which is also a very positive sign. And as I already posted a video on metal sector index, that metal sector's already given a breakout and doing very good, performing very good. Stock in news, I will share the video about that stock. We will share the whole information about that stock, and the news regarding that, the corporate action, and the name of that stock I will tell you now, that Kotak Mahindra Bank. And corporate action is going to happen in this stock. Kotak Mahindra Bank is going to announce their corporate action. I will definitely update about that corporate action and all the whole the news and information about that in different and separate video, stock and news. So please keep your notification on to check that stock information, stock news, so that you will be aware, you will come to know on time, on record date and everything, on time. So keep your notification on. And so all these important update I wanted to discuss, the data, inflation data, and the important Q2 results, and the stock corporate action, Kotak Mahindra corporate action. Now I will discuss the Nifty Bank chart, and will analyze it, and let's see what level can be for the next week. And I have drawn these three lines, which I have drawn in my last video also. And again I am choosing the weekly chart so that you will see the whole picture, long term picture of the Nifty Bank chart, so you can easily understand the long term trend what is going on in Nifty Bank. So you see I have drawn this line, which is the good resistance Nifty Bank is facing since last 4 weeks. I will say exactly last 4 week, the Nifty Bank is facing resistance at this level, which is 58,600. I will take the uh, whole figure roughly 58,600. The exact number is 58,577 है, but 600 is a important resistance where since last 4 week, yeah, we can say 1 month, the Nifty Bank was taking resistance here. 1 मंथ हो गया है जो कि यहाँ पे ये कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, बट एज आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दैट निफ्टी बैंक हैज गिवन द ब्रेकआउट फ्रॉम हियर. दिस इज अक्टूबर, लास्ट अक्टूबर, विच 1 मंथ. ओके, 1 मंथ पे यहाँ पे इसने इट हैज गिवन द ब्रेकआउट, and I discussed that it is retesting maybe. So it has given the breakout and retested also this week, and then again consolidated and retested at this week, and again here, and again here. So what you can see how beautifully this breakout level, or we can say this retest level, the Nifty Bank is able to sustain, is trying to take this support, which is retest level or breakout level from here, as it has given the breakout. So this level is 57,000, I can say roughly 57,600. 57,600 is the breakout level, and retest level also, you can say 57,500. So here, yes, 57,600. 57,600 is a retest level where the Nifty Bank is since 1 month. Last 1 month, Nifty Bank is sustaining here, saving this support, not breaking this support, and even in last week it has given a good, positive, strong movement, strong candle, which is showing it has already saved this support. So I have even given this support in my last video, discussed this support also, and see, I was actually, I kept watching that is it breaking it or going to this level, which already which was my support in last week, this 20 EMA. Now it has taken a reversal and again getting stopped here, which is the earlier resistance 58,600. Yes, तो 58 अभी भी यहाँ पे ही रुक गया. So we need to watch closely that this level of 58,600 Nifty Bank is going to break or not. It has been discussed that this is the make or break level. So you need to watch this level in next week closely, that 58,600 is going to be broken or not. Still, I will give this support, but I don't think for short term, for next week, is it is again going to break this and coming to this level. I don't know, but yes, for the safer side, I will definitely give this level, which is very very important and crucial level of Nifty Bank, which is 56,100. 50, I can say roughly 56,000. So 56,000 already a very good, important psychological support. So I'm not thinking that it is going to touch in next week, maybe later on, but not in next week. But yes, this support of 57,600 is again becoming very important. So I have explained in everything in very detail so that you can understand how to read the chart. And yes, after breaking, if it's breaking this 58,600, I already discussed that 60,000 is imminent. So wait and wait for the 60,000 when it is going to be touched by Nifty Bank. This was all I wanted to discuss, the important inflation data and the Q2 result and the stock in news, which is coming up, and this Nifty Bank important level. I'll mention Nifty Bank level again. The important support 57,600, and in case the Nifty Bank is breaking this level, 56,000 will be the next important crucial level, and important resistance is 58,600, and of course Breaking 58,600, 60,000 is imminent. So hit the like button and share with your friends so that they will also come to know the important update about the stock market. And subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock in news update, indices levels update. Signing off.